Gold and turquoise. Binibidyoan mo eh.
Tinitingnan ko lang kung tama yung basa mo. O sige na, para makapag cellphone ka na.
Concerns the true nature, source, location, disposition, movement, or ownership of our right with respect to said monetary instrument or property, attempts or comprise to commit money laundering, offenses referred to in paragraph.
Umiiyak ka ba? O sige na, basahin mo lang. Huwag ka lang
Ano
umiyak.
basa dito?
Alin? Sa alin dyan?
Ito.
Attempts.
Ay, dito pala.
Saan?
Ito.
Ito?
Ito.
Patingin.
Ito. AIDS.
AIDS. Malapit ka na matapos.
Asan?
Dito ka na. Okay, ito.
Age. Abets. Assistance in or third cells. The commission of the money laundering of offenses referred performs or fails to perform any acts as a result of which he facilitates the offenses of money laundering referred to in paragraphs.
Okay, wag mo nang basahin yan. Okay, next na tayo.
Money laundering is also committed by any covered person who, knowing that a covered or dati magpapantik na lang ako.
Sige.
Asan na?
Suspicious. Ito.
Suspicious transaction is required under this act to be reported to the anti-money laundering criminals. Engaged is money laundering to the degrees to.
Saan ka na?
Hindi ko alam.
Nagbabasa ka, hindi mo alam.
Kasi tumingin ako dyan. Illegal right or lines of their projects. Wag mo yan isi.
Hindi ko isesend to. Tinitingnan ko lang na nagbabasa ka eh. Sige.
Well as means used to commit such crimes are subject to
Para kapag ka-grade 1 ka na, magaling ka na magbasa.
procedure and furniture by the government to sa notebook ako, mamayang hapon sa notebook ako.
Kahit half lang nito mamaya, half page lang.
Ayaw ko.
Sige, pag-usapan natin mamaya. Sige, tapusin mo
Sa
na yan.
books ko.
Sige.
Nasa mo ako.
Malapit ka nang matapos eh. Dito ka na yata.
Hindi. Andito na ako.
Di basahin mo na.
Dito.
Hindi mo ba ako dinadaya?
Hindi.
Oh, sige. Malapit ka nang matapos. Okay, ito ang rules namin. Bago manood ng TV, magbabasa muna.
Huwag mo yan nilalagay, ah.
Hindi ko to ilalagay.
Huwag mo lagay sa YouTube.
Opo.
Bibidyo ko
O, sige, Papa.
Them appear legitimate without loading their ellipse. This would expose them to prosecute. Them appear legitimate without loading their ellipse against could export them to prosecution or
Matapos ka na po?
Opo.
Ba't ka galit?
Under the law, according arbitrary proceeds and instruments or tools used for the commission of felony or crime shall be confiscated and forfeited in favor of the government.
Anong number ka na?
Wala.
Di ba may number yan?
Wala. O, dito pa lang ako.
O, malapit ka na matapos.
This means that any access or money obtained through criminal activity as well as the means used to commit such crimes or subject seizures and forfeiture by the government. To circumvent this criminal used money laundering is a method is to interject dirty money into the legal financial system by doing so they can avoid the breaching, concealing the true source of the wealth makes it hard
Ang number mo na?
to
Okay, malapit na.
protect assets, loading prevents their illicit process from being directly linked to cheating and attention to their activity. Number 4. Number 4 na ako, ah.
Okay, wow, last na. Ang galing.
Appear legitimate on loading the funds can be used openly for investment.
Tapos na? Tapos ka na po? Patingin nga. Okay. Ito yung binasa niya. Sandali. Hindi, may tatanong ako sa'yo. Explain mo nga itong binasa mo. I-explain mo lang naman eh. Bilis mo lang magbasa? Ang galing-galing mo?
Hindi!
Oh, di ba? Oh, nag-cellphone ka na kasi tapos ka na magbasa. Ganyan ang gagawin mo araw-araw. Hindi pwedeng kapag kabakasyon eh, hindi na magbabasa.